Yeah, so from our perspective, and something I guess we have been discussing in this round for many times, I think the markets are clearly pricing in a deal, and rather sooner than later. So we were hoping that we might have seen a deal maybe in the Q1 already, which is now, as you said, postponed maybe for another couple of weeks. We heard that kind of statement for some time now, that they are making good progress, but still the devil is in the details. So hence, even if we are seeing and hearing a deal announced anytime soon, we would rather think this is not a game changer because most of this is already priced in. So hence, we would even expect maybe investors would use this as a trigger point to take some profits.
Okay, what else could be a trigger point when it comes to particularly the China markets? Because Emily was just running us through some of the data points we've seen there. Another strong bounce back that we've seen when it comes to data, just building on what we've seen when it comes to the PMI. Of course, China GDP out tomorrow. Yes, that's backward looking. But do you think the worst is over now for China? However, is the GDP number tomorrow going to be an event risk?
So our expectation is we might see a short kind of, or a small decline from Q4 numbers. So Q4, if I'm not wrong, was 6.4, so maybe we are getting somewhere close to it. So it shouldn't also be a big surprise to the markets. But I think what you are currently seeing in the Chinese data is that kind of improvement we are slowly seeing. And I would even consider this as a stabilization on the GDP number. So with all the measures the government has put in place, starting from earlier this year with the implementation of the tax reform, now in April, we have seen the VAT tax reform. And I guess the next big thing the government is going to tackle, and maybe we have seen this in the property figures already, is of course the entire property market. So hence, we are expecting this year the Chinese GDP number to maybe coming down closer to the 6% level, but we are nowhere close to any hard landing talking about Chinese GDP growth.
Hey everybody, it's Hadley Gamble from our new CNBC Middle East Bureau in Abu Dhabi. Thanks for stopping by. Now to watch more, you can try one of the videos that just popped up on your screen. And don't forget to subscribe.